So we're here today in Wirry Depot. It's a very exciting day for us. We're finally getting our art piece out around the B-Track Smart theme. It's a very vibrant piece. It's so much different from the usual sort of corporate artwork we do. We hope it will engage with our local communities.
So the artwork here on the train is all about that safety message, look both ways. So the piece itself is a collab between myself and another artist, Trustme. Throughout the piece you'll notice that there's a flock of flying wax eyes, and there's a bunch of geometric forms in there as well to really pay homage to the urban versus nature kind of theme. And you'll notice the different stances that they're in. They are actually looking both ways. So again, it's all meant to bring a greater awareness to that safety around the barrier crossing.
So we want people that are waiting at the level crossings, the car users, to be thinking about looking both ways for trains. We also want the community to think about looking both ways for trains.
Really, our vision is, can you imagine a living, breathing art gallery across our train network with safety messages and community messages? That's what we'd really like to achieve from this.
It was just a really amazing experience working with Auckland Transport on this. I hope Auckland takes it all in and they enjoy it as much as we do.